Okay guys, this is the EmoLicious cooking show, and today we're going to show you some little cooking tips that...
These are our items that we're going to be cooking with?
Yes, very simple items. Very simple, you could
your household items?
Go to Walmart, buy these for...
Mustard, whipped cream,
yes,
marshmallows...
the hot sauce,
Relish, wheat.
Can't forget relish.
Okay.
the hot sauce, delicious food, jet puffed. Jet puffed marshmallows, and yes, we're gonna show stuff. Come on, we're showing some stuff that you can do with these items. Dude, knock it off. Okay, you get the idea. Dude, come on. Okay, this is a little energy snack. It's supposed to
increase your energy.
Increase. Yes, very much.
Go figure. Okay,
it's a little bit of cheese, hot sauce. I feel like I'm on one of those cooking shows, you know. Just put a little bit of, you know, fine whipped cream on the top. And of course, we have fine, rich and thick tomato ketchup. Rich and thick. Oh, man. Woo!
Show it to the camera.
More hot sauce.
See that?
Good.
Nasty.
Oh, dude, here, give me some of that.
Okay, so we're digging out this cup for the hot sauce inside of the marshmallow.
That's good.
Oh, whoa. Fill it up to the top, fill it up to the top.
Dude, that's like an inch of hot sauce.
Wait.
See how? Okay, let's fill to the bottom, okay?
Okay, Brett, eat it.
No.
Oh, thanks a lot, Brett.
Drink it. Eat it.
Ian, Ian, open. Open. Wait.
See, it's not sick.
Ian.
It like makes you throw up, man. Quick,
Ian, no, not
spread it out.
Okay.
Oh, sick. Oh, dude, that was disgusting. Oh. Howdy, partner. Today we are going to learn how to eat some good old food. These fine old partners from a band called EmoLicious are here to show us some fine old cooking tips. And over here we have some marshmallows and some French's mustard, and we have some hot sauce, and we have some relish.
Alright, so this is our third stunt.
Such a beautiful recipe. We've got a little bit of
Peanut
peanut butter, delicious, fine, creamy wild oats peanut butter. Not just butter, margarine, much healthier for you.
Hot sauce. Hot sauce. Stop that. Hot sauce. Butter. Okay.
Fine butter.
Maybe you guys should put some hot sauce in there.
I did. Okay.
And
now we mix it all in this creamy marshmallow.
Cheese.
Cheese. We don't have cheese. There's already cheese in there.
Of course, everyone loves cheesecake with sprinkles. So.
Oh man, Ian, that was so good.
Now, you put in a little bit just for the zing. You know, you want that
Zing-a-ling.
French taste. You know, just
French's.
from Paris, fine French mustard. Oh,
Paris is in
good. So good.
Oh no.
Just so you know, Ian doesn't know his facts.
And
Paris is in Italy.
Hey, look, we're cooking.
you know, throw a cowboy in there. Mix it all up.
Good. Cannibalism.
And
Bacon.
place it in the oven for a fine treat. You all will love this treat. I want to eat it all.
Smelling mighty tasty.
Very delicious.
Oh,
got
let's
the
just put this.
Fine cowboy
on a
taste.
cracker.
Put that fine mixed marsh. Fine mixed
Cracker.
yellow. Yeah, to give it that, you know, very. Oh man, dude, I seriously can't eat that. I don't care if this is acting or what.
No, it's delicious.
Okay.
Okay. Come on.
Cow what?
Spit them out.
Dude, I'm sorry, I can't hold it.
So Ian, how does it feel to taste your breakfast again?
That is the end of our cooking show today. This is EmoLicious this is EmoLicious once again. Minus Matt, of course. Matt is
Oh, dude, it's a little personal there.
Matt's not here with us today. Hopefully next time he'll be with us on the show. Whoa, dude, what are you trying to do? Massage me? That's just creepy, okay? Anyway.
Goodbye, folks.
This was a great time.
What he said.
Everyone likes food. Everyone likes food. Eat it every day. It is good for you. Helps you survive. Everyone eats it. Tastes good all the time. Must eat you to live.
EmoLicious and